Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a GMC Yukon. First, ensure your engine is cool. Begin by draining the coolant from the radiator. Next, disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. Then, use a serpentine belt tool to relieve tension and remove the belt from the pulleys. This prepares your engine for the next steps. Now, let's get that old pump out. You'll need to disconnect any hoses attached to the water pump, including the radiator hoses. Then, locate and remove all the bolts securing the water pump to the engine block. Once all bolts are out, gently pry the old pump away. Be sure to clean the mounting surface thoroughly for a good seal. With the surface clean, it's time for the new pump. Apply a thin, even layer of RTV sealant to both sides of the new gasket, then place it on the new pump. Carefully position the new water pump onto the engine block and hand tighten the bolts. Torque them to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 11 foot-pounds. Reconnect all hoses securely. Almost done, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly routed over all pulleys. Now, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. Start the engine, let it warm up, and bleed any air from the system. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge and check for any leaks around the new water pump. You've successfully replaced it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.